Hey guys, it's Metro, and today we'll be talking about my new DupleXL by Zpacks. Okay, so that's my first pitch here of the DupleXL tent by Zpacks. I got the white version, super ultralight, but weighs in around 21 ounces, I think. Anyway, this is my first pitch, putting this up. Never done this before, so this is my first tarp tent. Really excited to take a look on the inside, so let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, so I'm just getting used to all the settings and so forth in terms of how tight to pitch this tent, but as you can see, it is definitely see-through. You can definitely see the tub in there, so this is not the privacy tent by any means. As you can see, there's almost no privacy, but not a bad setup here. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Okay, so we're inside the new DupleXL by Zpacks. This has got so much more room than my old Fly Creek UL1 tent. I am super stoked to be upgrading to a larger tent, but I did pick the white, and I will say that it is extremely transparent. I know that the colors, all of the Dyneema composite fabric is somewhat transparent, but I believe that I picked the color that, well, let's just say I will be feeling in touch with nature, not removed from nature, because there's very thin, very thin. But anyway, lots of room inside of this tent. As you can see, I got two new trekking poles that came along with this package. I ordered on Cyber Monday, and they had a deal that said, hey, if you order any duplex tent, you're gonna get, or any plex tent I should say, you would get 2 free trekking poles. So I went ahead and went for it. I was just looking at the regular duplex, but because I am a little taller, I'm 6'1", and because I've been so cramped in my Fly Creek, that I thought, hey, it's time to really treat yourself and put yourself into a larger tent. So that's exactly what I did, and I feel really good about this decision. Now, as far as the pitch goes, I don't know if I did this exactly correct, so I'm probably gonna get torn up with this video, but if I did this correctly, make sure you put a comment down below, or if there's something I'm not doing right, make sure you put a comment down below, because remember, I'm a noob when it comes to this trekking pole tent scenario. I've been in the Fly Creek UL1 tent for years now. I'd say 4 years exactly. So I would like to know, what is the proper way to pitch this tent? Put your comments down below. Definitely a lot more room. As you can see, I'm 6'1". So how do I show you the perspective? So here's with my legs spread out. And as you can see, I still have a lot of room up here. So that's really nice. Not anything like that claustrophobic feeling of the Big Agnes Fly Creek UL1 tent. This has got a lot more space on the inside. I'm just really stoked. I don't know why I haven't done this sooner. All right, so one thing I wanted to point out is that on the ends of this tent, they have these connection rods, right? So when you fold the tent over, you want to bring them over to line up and kind of sit on their side. So it's like this. You want to kind of have them lay on top of each other in the same direction. And once you do that, you want to fold in that way. So if you found any value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and send me your comments as I do respond. As always, thanks for watching, but until next time, let's keep moving.